So for lesson 1, there are 2 chapters that we're going to be covering, chapter 1 and 2. So make sure you've read those in your book. And then you're going to want to kind of look through the lecture. This just kind of clarifies points that are in the book. The book is a really good reference book, but it's not, doesn't get into a lot of detail. So the notes are going to provide more detail for you and hopefully clarify anything that you were confused about. And if there is something that you are confused about after reading the chapter and the notes, please ask and I will clarify it for you. Chapter 2, we actually get into some JavaScript syntax. So if you look through here, it does explain rules for coding the language, okay, variables that you can use, how to declare them, naming conventions, and you will find it is similar to other languages that you've used. You'll notice that I do have a lot of live examples. Some of them are from the textbook. Some of them are things that I've created. I also link to some interactive examples where you can test out code. And I do encourage you to look at all these examples. Anything that you see that is from the book, you can right-click and view the source code. And if you want to get right into the JavaScript, you can just click on the link and it shows you the JavaScript code that was used. Once you finish chapters 1 and 2, you're going to work on your first programming assignment. So you're going to click on the link and kind of look through the instructions. You're going to be creating an assignment page. So this is very similar to what you did in the 180 class. And if you want to actually copy your 180 assignment page, rename it for 190, that is okay. Let's see. I like mine to look different, so mine looks different than my 181. Then you're going to want to transfer your files. And if you don't remember how, there are instructions here. There are also videos. And make sure you're validating the pages. So that is your first assignment. Once you've got that thing transferred, you'll go ahead and go into the Dropbox, add a submission, and indicate that you are done, just like you did in the 180 class. If you would like to view the textbook publishers' chapters, their PowerPoints, you can go ahead and click on the link and download them. This is not anything that is required, but some students do find them useful. So this assignment is kind of a review of your HTML and CSS. So if you run into any problems or if you have questions, let me know. Make sure you transfer the page and then throw me an email so I can go look at it.